Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Moa. Myself Nimisha Mehta for class 6 English. We have started our revision part. Chapter 1st, Many Kinds of Arts in Activity 6. Make up a quote about colors or another idea of your own and print it nicely on the banner below. Share your quote with your classmates. So here we have to share one quote. People reveal their true colors in due time. Read the quotes of your classmates. Which new quote did you like best? The quote by R.W. Emerson, brought by my classmate, Serene, nature always wears the colors of the spirit, was the best among all. I liked it very much because it shows the omnipresence of the Almighty. Did you prefer your own or a classmate's quote? I prefer the quote brought by my friend Serene because it conveys the message of supreme power in the world. So we understand the quote and compare also. Now we go as per activity 7. Here some meanings are there. Get along, be friendly, lay out, arrange, drift by, move from near, be through, achieve success, complete, terrific, very great, unique, unparalleled. So here the poem The Crayon Box That Talked. One day the poet was walking through a toy store and he overheard a crayon box talking. The colors in the box were talking. They were expressing their dislikes for one another. They themselves never knew the reason of their not getting along with each other. The poet brought home that box and laid out all the colors facing one another. They watched the poet using all of them for a picture. Green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow a bright sun and white was used to paint clouds shifting by. The poet began to start off soon after the picture was completed. At that time the colors realized that each of them was unique and no one was of less importance. The picture could be completed with the use of all of them together. The moral of the poem is united we stand, divided we fall. From this poem, the moral of this poem is united we stand, divided we fall. So from this poem we learn always make unity, don't fight with each other. Here I don't like red said yellow and green said nor do I. And no one here likes orange but no one knows quite why. We are a box of crayons that really doesn't get along, said blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. So from this poem we learn many things. Now we go as per activity 8. The crayon box that kept talking. Paintings are art. Poems are art. Plays are also art. Let's write a play about the crayons. In the poem, you notice that the colors talked at the beginning. Now notice that after the poet took the crayons home, they watched while the poet colored. The poet does not tell us what they said while he colored. But this is a very talkative box of crayons. Imagine what they said while the poet made the grass and sky and sun and clouds and all the rest with different colors of crayons. So here we have to write the discussion, the conversation, the crayon box that kept talking. I send with PDF. So do more and more revision. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.